Louis over at Tech Review Factory, and this channel is intended to make sure that the average consumer gets the most real review out there, and making sure that they don't have to go through a search engine and hopefully find a real review that wasn't written by a company or by someone that got paid by that company. So we make the commitment here at the factory to you guys, our audience, and you guys, our friends and our fans, to make sure you're always gonna get that real review. And let's wait no longer. Let's talk about our product today. Here we go. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be talking about the Hesh 3 lineup from SkullCandy headphones. And I got my pair in red. They're the closest thing to red that I could find to the iPhone 11, the product red, and I think that it matches perfectly. And after purchasing that, I think my favorite color is blue, but I have an Xbox One controller that is blue, but after getting these headphones and seeing my iPhone, I think that I'm gonna do that and go on to a red one, because this red it's amazing. These headphones, they can fully charged. They can last up to 22 hours with constant listening. And if for some reason you do run out of battery, it has rapid charge integrated. So with that being said, 10 minutes of charging can last you up to 4 hours of listening. Give or take. You don't want to actually rely on this going to be just 4 hours, but close to 4 hours is great. However, if you do run out of a battery, they do come with an aux cable, which you don't need the battery life to listen to your music through the aux cable with your headphones, so that's a plus. And the padding around the headphones, around the ears, it's great for all day comfort. I want to point out this padding on top. It's great. You would never think that the top of your head would be very important when you're wearing headphones, but if you're wearing it all day and you like to take these to the gym, I think that you will appreciate that padding on top. And not only that, but the cushion, these don't have the noise cancellation technology. However, with this kind of padding, it actually seals your ears inside the padding, and there's no distractions, there's nothing around that will take away from your listening to your music. Or if you're gaming, I think that you will appreciate these. They do have a mic integrated in them, so that works perfect if you like to do some online gaming. However, maybe if you're doing a PS4, you can use these Bluetooth wireless, but if you have an Xbox One just like myself, you will have to use the wire or get a Bluetooth adapter, which they can go up to $40 up to $80 if you get one that is straight from Microsoft. But I think that the quality is perfect, and I think that making that extra purchase will actually help. But if you want to save money, you can just still use these wired when you're playing, but if you're listening to music, you can do wireless. One thing that I want to point out, it has these controllers on here. You have the button to turn it on and off in pair. You hold it about 5 seconds and find these in the settings, and it's easier to pair. It takes about not even 6 seconds to pair it. As soon as you find it on your phone, just click on it and it's there, it's ready to use, and keep on with your day. Also, it has the up and down volume buttons on here, which makes it simple. You don't have to take out your phone or anything like that. It's perfect, and the buttons are positioned in the back. That way you can put them on and you can move the buttons with your thumb. They're perfectly positioned, so there's not an issue with that. And then I would like to point out that you can, these are collapsible. That means that you can just take them anywhere. I remember when you used to buy SkullCandies, they used to come with a little pouch Maybe this one doesn't, but if you were to have one, you can just throw it in there, or maybe a case. That would have been nice if it would have come with it, or just a little pouch. It would have been nice to see. I did pay $100 for these, so I think that them including that little pouch, it would have been good. Truthfully, they're compact, and as soon as you're done, you can just put them on and go on your day, turn it on, you're ready to go. These do come with a 2-year warranty. I haven't looked at how it works yet, but I will be reading a little bit more into it. But I do know it comes in the box, also with the wires and the charger as well. Thank you for tuning in. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you like this video, and make sure you hit that notification button for future videos I'm going to be posting. And thank you for tuning in. Stay safe and have a great day.